Hi everyone, welcome to my PhD blog to support graduate and postgraduate students. This is my first video tutorial on how to schedule a meeting easily with your supervisors and colleagues. If you are a PhD student and you will be having a PhD committee that include not only your supervisors but also the chair of the committee and sometimes an advisor. The committee is going to meet once in 6 months to discuss your progress, and you are the one responsible for arranging these meetings. As you may have experienced, the supervisors are pretty busy with their teaching, practical classes, correcting answer scripts and with their own research. It is highly unlikely that you go to each and every individual and ask for their free dates and time slots to arrange the meeting. It is always better to have more than one common date before you go and check for the availability of venue. Of course, you can circulate an email around and ask for their available dates, but it is going to be hard if you are having 10 to 30 participants. Disregarding what you are doing at the moment, it is always better to know the easy way of scheduling a group meeting. So today, I am going to show you a website called Doodle that is completely free and help group scheduling easily. Free tip: this made my life easy and remove fear of going to my supervisor's room time to time and annoy them asking for free time slots. Let me show you how it works. First of all, you need to think of date range and time slots within which you would like to have the meeting. I'm going to allow participants to include their availability from June 10th to 12th and during these time slots, June 10th 8 to 10, 11, 10 to 12 and 12th from 12 to 2. Then go to your favorite web browser and type Doodle. Click on the Doodle homepage link. This will redirect you to the Doodle homepage indicated here. Here you can see two options, sign up and login, but you don't need to log in to create a Doodle. There's another option to start a 14-day free trial and enjoy the premium version. But for today, I'm going to click on the Create Doodle button for the demonstration purpose. Once you come to this page, you can start by entering the title, which instantly give an idea to your participants about the purpose of the meeting. If you are planning to meet them face to face and haven't decided the venue yet, you can select the option to be confirmed. Other than that, you can ask participants free time slots for a conference call, Skype meeting, as well as for a Zoom meeting. Today, I'm going to leave it as to be confirmed. Then, you can include any notes such as meeting agenda and any documents required for the meeting under this section and hit the continue button. Within the next page, you will see a dialog box asking you to log in and connect the Doodle to your calendar. This will allow you to set reminders. I'm going to skip this option by clicking Later button. There are two viewing options in the calendar. You may view the calendar by month or week. First, I will show you how to select the date and time slot if you are viewing by month. I choose to have the meeting on the date between June 10th to 12th. To set the preferred time slot, select the date and click on Add Time button. Clicking on the start time allows you to select the time. Set the end time in similar way. If you need, you can add more time slots on the same day by clicking on Add More Time. Let's see how to set the date and time slots in weekly viewing mode. I'm showing how to select time slot on June 10th. If you click on one spot, it will select a time slot automatically. If you do this by mistake, don't worry. You can always delete the time slot and re-enter. If you want to select the time from 8 to 10 o'clock, click on the line aligning with 8 o'clock and drag the cursor up to the 10 a.m. line. This will select the time slot from 8 to 10. Similarly, select the time slots on the other 2 days. You can also change the time zone under this option. Click Continue. The features coming along with the paid version of the Doodle are highlighted on the right hand side. If you have the paid version, this will allow you to set the deadline for participants to respond to your Doodle. Set an automatic reminders, collect participant contact details, remove unnecessary ads, as well as send reminders to participants before the meeting. Today I'm going to show you the features coming along with the free version. The first option allows the participants to indicate if any of the selected dates are not suitable for them. I'm going to tick this option because it is highly possible in my case. Second option is important if you are allowing only limited number of participants to attend your meeting. People who respond to your Doodle first will get the chance to attend. Third option will allow participants to vote once. In this case, you are allowing your participants to pick only one date out of 3 dates to participate the meeting. Lastly, the hidden poll will allow you to select the date with maximum number of participants but without knowing who is participating in the meeting. The contact details are hidden under this option. I am going to leave bottom 3 options unticked and move ahead. This is the final step where you have to mention your name and the email address as the person who is organizing the meeting. Once you enter, click the Finish button. Now you have created your Doodle successfully. You can see a link on top of the page. To get the availability of other participants, you need to copy this link and email it to other participants. Make sure the details that you entered are correct. If you want, you can change the time zone here as well. Then you can respond to your Doodle at the same time. You can tick the dates and click Send button. Once you do that, Doodle will store your response until other participants respond. Let me show you how to share the link and how it appears to other participants. Go back to the poll and click on Invite tab. Copy the Doodle link underneath. Then go to your email and compose a new email. I always send the link to my own email address first, just to double check whether the link is working properly. Once you get the email, click on the link. Here you can see your previous response highlighted within green color. This is how it will appear to other participants. Suppose you are a participant and I will show you how to respond to a Doodle. Click on the plus button and enter your name. Then click the dates that you are available. Make sure to hit the Send button. You will redirect it to the Doodle page. Once you go back to Doodle poll, you can see the summary of responses in Doodle poll. This is an amazing tool that saves your time and allows you to arrange meetings or get together even with hundreds of participants within a minute. Thank you for watching.